This clip was sent in by one of my viewers who asked me the question, was going all the way around the roundabout to then turn left okay? Keep an eye on this yellow shop to the left, the letting agent, because this is the road that we're heading to. I'm not actually sure whether my viewer had done this purposefully or whether they've just changed their mind on the direction they wish to go. Either way, it's perfectly legal to do this, although it is cheeky. Just be aware, people could pull out in front of you as you're doing something quite unusual. But it was safe enough for me. Whether or not I'd do it is a different story. What would you do? Is it something that you've done before? Let me know in the comments.